under product master maintenance, we have two entries. First one is A, another one is B. So what we understood? We understood that if we assign as A, okay, if you configure is as A that every product is relevant for checks, it means if you create a sales order or purchase order for any of the product, then system will be checking for the license for each and every product. And if system doesn't find the license, it will block your transaction. Remember, if you configure as A, but if you configure as B, then what B says? B says only specifically selected products are relevant for checks. So what example we understood in previous session, that let's say your client is dealing with 100 products, and out of 100 products, let's say only 10 products need a license. In that case, we will be assigning as B. Then what will happen? For each and every product, for all 100 products, system will not be looking for a license. So for those 10 products which need a license, we can control via master data. How can I do that? Let's understand. So now first I'm going to configure is as A. Every product is relevant for checks. It means if you create a transaction, if system doesn't find a license, it will block your transaction. Now let's create a sales order. So I'm showing you export process. So this is the customer. Let's say this is the material, and customer is placed an order for 10 quantities. Now save this. Now observe on this error, legal control blocked due to what? Product master. So whenever your document is blocked due to legal control check, observe on this message. As of now, system says legal control is blocked due to product master. What product? Why it is saying product master? Now, if you all remember, we understood that issuing authorities don't understand your product, your actual product name and number. Instead, they use some legal codes. So to make them understand, we need to classify our product. It means that probably we have not classified our product. That is why system is giving this error. Your legal control is blocked due to product master, meaning your product is not classified with the classification number. In case of export, your product is not classified with ECCN number, or in case of import, your product is not classified with ICCN number. If product is not classified, it means classification number itself is not available. Then system cannot go beyond. System cannot check your license. So let's check the log. Sales document number is 20238. Let's check into GTS system. So we'll go to GTS area menu. Under GTS area menu, go to legal control export. So our document is blocked due to legal control check. So directly we can check under legal control export monitoring tab by using this display block document. So if your document is blocked due to legal control, via this option, we can display all the blocked documents which are blocked due to legal control. Okay, let's check that. If you remember sales document number, you can use your sales document number. If you don't remember sales document number, you can use some other parameter. Example, created by, created on. Okay, so we know our sales document number 20238. Now first let me show you the customs document. Go to the customs document. So here, this is the header data, organization tab. We can see our correct foreign trade organization. This is the reference number. Under item overview, we can see the number of line items. Since we have created sales document only with the one line item, system is showing only one line item. If we create sales document with, let's say, 50 line items, system will show all the 50 line items. Under partner tab, it will display all your partner functions. These partner functions are coming from your customs document only, that is from your sales order only. value, it will show you the net value of your sales order. By status tab, you can see the services of your compliance and risk management status. Example, SPL screening. As of now, your document is blocked due to SPL as well. That is why your entry is in red here, checked. What it says, SPL screening is checked and blocked. Service active. Embargo is green flag. That is, it says checked and released. It means there's no any embargo block. Similarly, embargoes legal control again is in red, checked and blocked. Service is active. But any service which is not active, you can see this icon that says not checked but released, because service not active. It means system will not go, system will not check your service, right? If you go to item details, under item details, you can see as of now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 tabs, right? We have 8 tabs. Remember, if your system, GTS system, finds a license, if system finds a license for the customs document, system will have one additional tab here, that is legal control data, where you can see all the license details. But as of now, our document is blocked due to legal control check. That is why we do not have that specific tab available, legal control data. Apart from that, by using this classification tab, you can see your product classification number. But you can see that under classification tab, nothing is available. It's blank. It means your product is not classified. Still, you want to be sure, go to log. If you want to understand more, go to log and just check the log. What it says, performance of service, legal control. Check legal regulation LEG1. Check legal regulation LIC2. So our legal regulation is LIC2, not LEG1. Now let me ask this question. Why system has determined LEG1?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
So why system has determined legal regulation LEG1? Because for our requirement, we have defined only one legal regulation. So I want system to trigger only one legal regulation, not more than one. Remember the formula. How system determines legal regulation? In case of export, system determines legal regulations based on country of departure. So system can determine country of departure from your supplying plant. So since our plant belongs to Germany, definitely Germany is activated under this legal regulation. Let's check that. Go to activate legal regulations. Then this is legal regulation LEG1. At country level, we have, you see Germany is activated here. Now let's deactivate it. Okay. Now I deactivated against export. And now you will observe, if we recheck this customs document, let's recheck this customs document. System definitely will not determine and the legal regulation. That is LEG1. Select this, go to log. Still system is displaying. What could be reason? No reason, right? Because we have already deactivated it. LEG1 we have already deactivated. Probably our customs document is not rechecked properly. Sometimes it takes time. Okay. So you can also use this option, recheck document. Check, click on display log so that we can see the result as well. Right? LIC2. Since we have deactivated country, that is supplying plant country against LAG2, that is why system is not determining that legal regulation. Now this is the correct behavior, because we have defined only one legal regulation, that is LIC2. Now open this log, go to this node. What it says, country IN determined as relevant partner country. Remember the formula, what we understood, how export license gets determined. First, based on your country of departure, system will determine your legal regulation. That is done correctly. System has determined our correct legal regulation. Second, we understood your ship to party country, that is country of destination. So system will determine your country of destination from your ship to party. So system determined country as India, right? India is your ship to party country. Open this node, what it says, check object for determination procedure LGLR1 found. So this is the determination procedure which we are using, and based on this determination procedure only system will determine your license type. So now that is also correct. Now what it says, determination of import export license type at country or country control class level. Why this option is coming, why this determination strategy is coming? Because under this determination procedure we have selected country or control class level. If we select some other combination, then system will definitely, it will show accordingly. Let me show you quickly.
Sir, can we have more than one determination strategy?
Yes, we can have, we can have. So go to determination procedure. So LGLR1 is our determination procedure. Go to determination strategy. Here we have activated at country to control class level, right? So that is why system has displayed country or control class level. If you change this strategy, accordingly system will show you this level. Now you open this node, what it says, product this has not been fully classified for legal regulation LIC2. Now this was the reason. So this is what we talked about, that if your product is not classified, still your document, your customs document will be blocked, stating that legal control checked due to product master. Now let's classify this product. So that is the last step of your product classification step, right? So we understood, first we need to have all all number, that is first we need to receive ECCN number from data provider. Second, we need to upload or maintain ECCN number based on numbering schema. It means before uploading or maintaining, we need to have a numbering schema in place. So we define numbering schema, and now we are able to maintain ECCN number in the system. And thirdly, we need to classify our product. How to classify? Go to GTS area menu. Under GTS area menu, we need to go to under compliance management to go to classification master data. Then by using this option, maintain product, we can classify product individually. Individually means one product, one classification number, another product, then classification number. And we also understood that we can also classify product via work list. So that we, in that case, we need to use this option. What is the meaning of via work list? Let's say we have some set of 20 products. 20 products need a same ECCN number. So instead of assigning one by one, we will be assigning them, we will be classifying them via work list. So I'll show this as well. So let's maintain product individually. So here your logical system group needs to be maintained, then your product number. Your product number is this. And the better practice is whenever you classify your product, the best practice is to give your legal regulation here. Because if you don't give your legal regulation here, system will display values under all the legal regulations. So best practice is to give your legal regulation. So our legal regulation is LIC2. execute it. Legal control. So we need to go to legal control, and here you can see the entry is in red. Control data is incomplete. It means your product is not classified. So this is the first level of identification through which you can understand that your product is not classified. Second, here you can see export list. So that is the our third level, right, which complete our ECC number. That is the structure we have defined in our numbering schemes. So here your number should be available, right? Here your number should be available, but this is also blank. So how to classify your product? Now click on this find option, go to this find, and whatever ECC number we have maintained, system will display you here, right hand side. One, we have used product category as one. Double click this entry. Under this product category, we have defined two different product classes. One is 1A and the one is 1B. So let's say I want to classify with 1A001. Double click this and system will display you the specific number here. Now we can see number 1A001. Just say enter. Now you see your product turned into green. It means what? Your product is classified. Let's save this. Now if you recheck your customs document, definitely system will check the another level. Let's refresh this customs document. Yes. Again, go to log. Same thing. Now, no export import license type found for determination procedure CD02. Again, remember how export license gets determined based on determination strategy. We are using country and control class level. It means your export, in our case, in this case, your export license will be determined with the combination of legal control plus country plus control class. But we have not maintained value, because how does system know which country? At least you can say system understood that country is IN, right? This is the country of destination. Why this country of destination? Because country of departure is already used by the system in order to determine your legal regulation. So you have only country of destination, so this country will be your country of destination. So at least system knows country of destination is IN, but control class, that is ECCN number. So we have classified our product, but still system doesn't know the exact combination. So in determination strategy, what we understood, that if our legal regulation is this, let's say ABC plus, if our country of destination is, let's say this, plus, if your product is classified with some number, let's say 1A001, determine your license type, let's say L1. So if you will maintain this combination, if system will find this combination, then only system can determine license type. It's same way how we maintain condition record in pricing. If let's say our condition table is one of the condition table is customer plus material, so until unless by using that combination we maintain condition record, system cannot determine the value. Exactly same case here. System doesn't know these values in a combination, because we have not maintained determination strategy master data, right? So system, that is the reason system is telling you that no import export license type found for determination procedure CD02. In case if we maintain determination strategy, what will happen? System can able to determine your license type. Let me show you that step as well. At least we'll complete one cycle, then we'll go with another scenario. Go to GTS area menu, legal control export, maintain determination strategy. By using this option, we can maintain determination strategy. Execute it now. Our legal regulation is LIC2. No need to give any values here, okay? Just execute. Now, based on selected determination strategy, system will display your pages here. System will display your values here. Since we have selected country plus control class, that is the reason system is showing you country plus control class. In your configuration third step, if you change the determination strategy, that is determination table, system will also change your this determination tables. So let's use that. How to maintain entry? If my legal regulation is LIC2, select. If country of destination is India, because system has determined India. If country or destination is India, if my product which for which we are creating a sales document, if my product is classified with 1A001, that is the one we have used, right, to classify our product, 1A001, right? So if our product is classified with 1A001, determine license type AG, and then click on apply selection or even copy individually. So I'm just clicking on apply selection. Now you see system will show you one entry here. Exactly same way what combination we have chosen. If my legal regulation is LIC2, if my country or destination is IN, if my product is classified with 1A001, determine license type AG. Save this. Now let's recheck the customs document. Still, still in this output dialog, system is showing that document is blocked due to legal control. So that is our that is the correct behavior. Why? Because we system will be able to determine license type. Let's see. Possible import export license type have been determined because we have correctly maintained our determination strategy. But have you maintained license record? No, we haven't maintained license record, so that should be error. See, check import export license type AG, and last error should be could not find any import export licenses. So this is the last error. If you do not maintain your license record, that is the license number, actual license number received from licensing authorities, still your document will be blocked because system is expecting the license number, right? So we will not maintain license number because I want to show you some other scenarios here in product classification that we understood one term that is control grouping, and we also understood peculiarity code. What we understood that if we are using control grouping or peculiarity code, it will become one of the parameter for the product classification. So next session I'll show you that if we are using control grouping or peculiarity code or both of these values, system will also expecting these values here. So this value will not be sufficient. System will also looking for these values, then only your product will be fully classified. Otherwise product will not be fully classified.